Julie Samala teneng atayang I video lecture binang again ngata fungi school ata silche jano sombasang inang ata ke na fungi se cell wall composition school ata silche jano sganma video nang ata ke na fungi se meaning halang ata fungi che jano tena chola fungi se ngata general characteristic skung ata ke na detail na cell ten pin tene onna se related ngata ke na fungal cell gun hala chahe ngata unicellular indo ya ngata multicellular cells yot kya pa ote fungal cells gun ngata ke na cell wall yot kya tene cell wall ngata ke na chi composition yot kya hala yani ka chemical de yot kya kazu component yot kya so tes ko ngata as ke na silches no sombasang fungi hala like plants and bacteria chokla fungi nang ku ngata fungal cells kunika ngata cell wall yotyak hagwel ngata sama use no plant cells ngata kena cell wall ono tena chola ngata bacterial cell ngata kena cell wall ono animal cells ngata kena cell wall ono khala onna chokla ngata sorry plants na bacteria chokla so fungal cell they also have a rigid cell wall and the composition of the cell wall in fungi is different hagwale for the different groups of fungi generally ngata chi ono plants kuninang जैसे ngata plants hame na composition bo almost uniform yono wala they consist of cellulose hemicellulose pectin jerkan ngata kya na component chemicals jot kya ya constituents jot kya polysaccharide jot kya onna un hame na kya agole but fungi na chi kya fungi na main composition bo man pa baki ngata kya na chemical constituent mang po kya and kaw khena ta different fungus na ya different fungi na different chemical components kya agol so ta tu detail na selches no a chemical analysis of cell wall revealed that in general it contains around 80 to 90% polysaccharides remaining proteins and lipids agol ta ingata fungal cell wall ingata kena koi chemical analysis chu acha po generally ngata kena hala mangata specific macha generally changma po da polysaccharides utkya ten ngata proteins utkya ten lipids utkya hagole so you ngata ika cell fungal cell jikata stan tanok ka ngata kena cell wall tanteru wal changma philoga tenete sana ku ngata kena plasma membrane tene cytoplasm ingata yung nucleus tene organelles gun like mitochondria endoplasmic reticulum nucleus gun hagole so the fungal cell ngata kana eukaryotic cell in basang ingata membrane bonded organelles gun ya nucleus gun ngata kana yutano so ngata specifically cell wall is seno cell walls of fungi consist of two components hagole ta composition ngata ta champo fungal cell wall ngata kana component chilmo gi jono hagole chik po ngata structural component ngata fibrillar component jono hagole yang chik po ngata amorphous component yamena ngata gel like matrix component hagole so we have two components structural and amorphous component the structural component binanga chi chutyak amorphous component में का चोस chemical दे उत्या त्यो ngata as kenang composition bu detail lang selches no so first mata kenang structural component ta na hala it makes up the inner layer of the cell wall yani inner layer nangku gi side ngata kenang layer bangata chono lo it gives rigidity to the cell wall ngata kenang shante gi chono rigid chono yani mechanical strength bangata kena structural component bi kana yono agole it may contain any of the flowing molecules the ote ngata kena structural component binang ya chingata chiut kya chitin jerkani ngata molecule bot kya agole chitin bochino lo a polymer of an acetyl glucosamine ngeja itu donda bacteria cells na bacteria cell wall ngata kena an acetyl glucosamine or bin component chik hagole so ote n acetyl glucosamine ngata kena polymer jeno chitin bo so we chitin bo kena ta fungi mangchat pinangata kena yotyak as a structural component of the cell wall Hagole cell wall nga ta kena structural component sulka chitin molecule kya yang khachi nga ta kena cytosine kya cytosine hagole cytosine mo chin nga ta N-acetyl glucosamine jiginok या chitin jiginok लेकिन non acetylated hagole या poorly acetylated nga ta chitin inok hagole ka so cytosine nga ta yong shichano या तेमे nga ta chitin glucan complex nga ta yong shichano chitin nga ta gyuzinok N-acetyl glucosamine glucan is a polymer of glucose hagole so ing iska nyambo yong shit complex form nga ta yong kya या तेमे nga ta cellulose cellulose nga ta plants na yon is a polymer of D-glucose hagole so sorry ई कंगे डायग्राम जिस्तान त्योत का कंगे जस्ताना छंगमा सं यो अलताना दुगले सेल मेम्ब्रेन दिसते hagole ote cell membrane na sangta ga chinga ta chamshi component jodna teongata kena chinok teongata kena cell wall no ab cell wall na ngata tana changma so yo ngata kena brown color ngata part chi duale ote ngata chitin no hagole ab I chitin जाएगा ngata khachi gina chiong shi chano cytosine ayong shi chano ya chitin plus cytosine ong shi chano hagole ya temena chitin glucan ong shi chano ya ngata rarely ngata kena cellulose ong shi chano hagole tel tak pika ngata kena chitin nal tak pika ngata glucan yot kya glucans na ngata tak kena proteins yot kya tena lipids yot kya hagole so you ngata chik chikino nispa the structural component men bang nispa component bonota amorphous component which is gel like matrix hagole teo ngata gel like matrix malangata kazuk shizetno fluid type chik liquid type chik hagole so amorphous component is called a sila champo it is embedded within the fibril network or superimposed upon it and make up the outer layer of the wall ingata amorphous component bongata gel like component bogazuk shotkyak chiktu tangata fibril component bina themes shotkyak hagole embed song shotkyak nangku akhwe nangku bar samena ta kena song shotkyak hagole superimposed meaning ata kena dakse cheese chok I structural component bongata kena cover shotkyak and it forms in outer covering I amorphous component bi nangata ka chok ringata molecules jotyak we have protein molecules proteins kunchino they are the polypeptide of chains of amino acids then chola mannans jotyak mannans are the polymer of mannose hagole mannose ngata kena ma ponda azuk chosta champo shilta champo mannans jotyak then chola glucans are the polymer of glucose hagole then chola lipids ngata pata no fats melanins they are the pigments so each ngata kena amorphous component no kao ngata I structural component ni jungu ngata kena destot kya structural component ngata kena cover chostot kya hagole so this is the main composition of the fungal cell wall ngata fungal cell wall ngata kena changma sang component chenmong ni jutyak te chenmong iski junga ngata kena sorry chenmong iski under na we have different molecules hagole chitin chyrosine glucan cellulose proteins mannans glucan lipids and melanins so next pota alten ki I ngata kenang structural components gun ya composition ngata different groups gun nang different groups of fungi different fungal species gun nang kazuk shi ngata kenan distributed to kal yu ngata kenang chezana chitin bu kenang changma sangata most predominant changma sangata kenang mangpo ngata fungi na chiut kya chitin nu kya hagole so chitin is the principal component of the cell wall in fungi and cellulose pongata kena plants in ano hola mangchat po plants kunina ata main component buchino cellulose no fungi na main component buchino na chitin zino hagole chitin na ngata I cellulose gi kangi ngeja structural formula nge stantiot ngeja tana dexno hola niske kangata kena ngata hexagonal ring yotya with ngata carbon and hydrogen ngata components mangpo ngata kena iket kala so difference chi dunga ta kena I chitin na cellulose nang main difference pongata kena carbon number nispe ka yang ka ba number nispe ka ngata ke nang mang chapu difference ukya ka ngata NHCOCH3 ukya aga ngata OH ukya ha gole so u chok se difference ukya ngi cha zigna zig tana dextono ika ta i ngata table bi kana ngi ja to gyu shano ki different groups of fungi nang hala different taxonomic groups nang structural component na amorphous component cell wall singata kazugredu hagole changma sangoma ta spera tona basidiomycetes a basidiomycetes chino ngata basidiomycetes ngata fungi se group chino hagole ek ngata family jik taxonomic family sangata taganok group chigino ngata kena taxonomic rank jigino kana ko ngata kena different fungal species and genus ngata kena both thyo so basidiomycetes ngata chino higher fungi nang yono hainga ta kenang higher fungi kenang group chik basidiomycetes nola so basidiomycetes nang ta structural component ta na chiot kya chitin kya hagole chitin ta pata ta sa da zertano as in polymer of N-acetyl glucosamine tioman pangata kenang beta 13 glucan and beta 16 glucan kya as in structural component tena sola amorphous components tena tana ta tene xylomenoproteins so menoproteins jotya xylomenoproteins tena sola alpha 13 glucan jotya as an amorphous component then ascomycetes again another important group of fungi of higher fungi this group also contains chitin molecule so nijalta naika basidiomycetes na ascomycetes na ngata structural component bu chou du khalang iskena chitins duk plus beta 13 beta 16 glucan duk agole ascomycetes na ngata amorphous component boltana again menoproteins duk that is galactomenoproteins then alpha 13 glucan duk agole tena chola zygomycetes na ngata tana zygomycetes yang ngata fungi se group chikino hagole different species na different genus group chino kana ngata khena chitinokya plus ngata chitosanokya hagole tene amorphous component में बोलताना polyglucuronic acid okya glucuromenoproteins okya polyphosphate okya next ino ngata chytridiomycetes hagole then hypochondriomycetes ngata chitins okya plus glucan okya hagole as an amorphous component glucan chikpokya hypochondriomycetes ngata khena chek different dugale chitin okya plus cellulose okya ठीक है मतलब then amorphous component mota glucan okya oomacetes sangma sa important bu oomacetes no ina ngata khena chitin mekya oomacetes na hagole baki ngata fungi cell ngata fungi chamshi group na changme ngata khena cell wall na chitin bu ngata as a main component of dole lekin oomacetes are the exception in which only cellulose is found as a main component the cellulose mata plant cell wall as a main component so oomacetes mata kena it is more resembles with the plants hagole in presence of the cellulose as a main component of cell wall tioman pangata kena beta 13 beta 16 glucan and glucan as an amorphous component ठीक रहा next mata in the sangi zerkan we could distilled in majority of the fungi including basidiomycetes ascomycetes zygomycetes chytridiomycetes hypochondriomycetes it sangmenang chitin hala chitin is the principal constituent chitin a polysaccharide that is also a major constituent in exoskeleton of insects and arthropods ई chitin bu khena ta insects na arthropods kuni exoskeleton binanga ta as a main component hagole onna chitin bu ngata ई fungi group kuni nang main constituent of cell walls changmena hai basidiomycetes ascomycetes zygomycetes chytridiomycetes hypochondriomycetes changmena kya however in oomacetes hagole ngata daksasnga na spin oomacetes ngata group bina fungi se cellulose is the main constituent and chitin molecule is absent ठीक रहा then zygomycetes sinangata kena chitin yokya lekin a the wall can also contain chitosan hagole chitin ang yutyak plus chitin ka ngata kena snan ma chi yutyak cytosine yutyak hagole so cytosine mo ngata kena china yutyak zygomacete sinang. However, in yeast, a member of Zygomacete, chitins are not found. Instead, a Menon glucan complex is found. So you got the exception in Nokola Zygomacete sinang that yeast cell ka unicellular fungal cell में दा unicellular ngata fungi ओते उन्हें नंगता के ना कौन cell wall बोलता है चांपो instead of chitin में दा लची होती है Menon glucan complex होती है हाँ बोले this is an exception ये इधु जो चेनो Zygomacete members बाकी चाम चंगता Zygomacete members जो ते संग में नंगता chitin जो आनो plus cytosine आनो लेकिन yeast ngata cell yeast ngata unicellular fungi se cell wall in Menon glucan complex zono instead of chitins. Then also ngata hypocytotomycetes ngata chitin jo kya it is mixed with cellulose. Ha बोले purely cellulose मत क्या pure ngata chitin समत क्या इसका ngata क्या ना mixed type क्या बाकी ngata ascomacetes basidiomycetes catatomacetes हमें ngata क्या ना glucan संतोबानो in addition to the chitin molecule which is the principal component of the cell wall hagole so yung ata kya na composition is kolbono then function ngata check shilta na ngata fungal cell walls ngata chi functions ngata play chon wala then it provides mechanical strength to fungi and which helps them to assume different forms and shapes hagole fungal cell walls is ngata kya na chi chon fungi ngata mechanical strength provide chon because they have got the structural component as well as amorphous component. The mechanical strength bujhse ngata fungi se different shapes assume chuano and different forms jono koi. Then second modalta na it determines the characteristic shape and size of fungal spore. Tangada reproduction stage shikal leba champo fungi se ngata spore produce chuano. So spores guni ngata kena koi shapes guni ngata oval shape yono यहाँ तक है ना spherical shape योनो हाँ बोले यहाँ तक है ना sickle shape योनो so that different shape of the fungal spores and their size is determined by the cell wall ठीक है मेरा then third point आता ना it gives protection to the protoplasm from wide range of environmental stress fungi से ngata है ना kung nangkui cell wall cell nangku ata kena protoplasm etyak te nangku ata organelles mu etyak nucleus etyak genetic material etyak so ote sama ata cell wall is protect chose borano hagol environmental stress matlab environmental जैसे condition ngata opposite chana yang ata very low temperature chana very high temperature chedo या instant solar radiation to hagol yang ata water scarcity chedo yang ata food scarcity chedo so ote uni kana ata kena protect chono it also protects the cell from the osmotic lysis hagol osmotic lysis jano ata kena ngata concentrated solution jingna borna hala plasmolysis shanok cell in ngata kena liquids ngata philo abing shanok tene cell bo shunke shanok cell ngata kena bilkul ngata plasmolyze sonse cell die charo hagole ote ngata kena chachu amano balance boron ngata cell wall is then it acts as a molecular sieve to regulate the passage of molecules between cell and outside so fungal cell in nanku ngata kena liquid yongos hagole tena to ngata kena nutrients yongos so you ngata kena regulate chona ngata as a sieve ngata kena जैसे ngata cha saks mino ngata cha cha mino le tena ngata cha saks na ba cha ta cha po cha pati ngata khato alusano cha ngata kena thilla chano o chola ngata kena fungal cell walls ngata kena regulate chona hala passage of this different molecules large cell molecules na gozdom metkan ngata kena yong me chukches so it regulates the passage of cell between the cell and outside so yung ngata kena cell walls skorbo no fungi nangkuga main ngata kena koi composition ngata plus no chemical composition chiot structural composition ngata chiot hala tertina ta kena cell walls ngata function skorbo chekshi discuss chustano so ngerawa chungeja ha goste do ha mangoina please teachers no Julie, thank you.